Let's start. Best of luck.
The movie before we arrived, A had started, B has started, C was starting. She a beautiful dress for the party. A wore, B wears, C wear. They to the beach every summer. A go, B went, C goes. He his homework. A is doing, B are doing, C am doing. The cat on the mat. A slept, B sleeping, C is sleeping. We a new car last month. A bought, B buy, C buys. I a cup of coffee. A want, B wants, C wanted. She to the gym twice a week. A go, B goes, C went. They a letter to their grandmother. A wrote, B write, C writing. He the window. A broke, B break, C breaking. The sun in the east. A rise, B rises, C rose. My mother a delicious cake. A bake, B bakes, C baking. We to the cinema last night. A go, B went, C going. She fluent French. A speak, B speaks, C speaking. I my keys. A, have lost. B, had lost. C, was losing. He an email to his boss yesterday. A, send. B, sends. C, sent. The children in the park. A is playing. B are playing. C am playing. I a good time at the party. A have. B had. C has. She a good book. A is reading. B are reading. C am reading. He his car. A washed. B washes. C washing. I my friend for a long time. A did not see. B have not seen. C had not seen. A television every evening. A watch. B watched. C watches. She a new phone. A buy. B buys. C bought. He his bike to school. A rode. B ride. C riding. We a big house. A live in. B lives in. C living in. She to work. A drive. B drives. C driving. I a lot of books. A read. B reads. C reading. He the race. A won. B win. C wins. She the test. A. Pass. B. Passed. C. Passing. They a new car last month. A. Bought B. Buy C. Buys. He the door. A. Opened. B. Opens. C. Opening. She to the store. A. Walk. B. Walks. C. Walked. I. My mother's cooking. A. Love. B. Loves. C. Loved. They a great time at the concert. A. Had B. Have C. Has. He a letter to his friend. A. Wrote. B. Write. C. Writing. We a big breakfast. A. Had B. Have C. Has. She a beautiful song. A. Sang. B. Sing. C. Singing. They on the computer. A. Worked. B. Work. C. Working. He the window. A. Closed. B. Close. C. Closing. I my phone. A. Lost. B. Lose. C. Losing. She to the gym. A. Goes. B. Go. C. Went. They a game. A. Played. B. Play. C. Playing. He a story. A. Told B. Tell C. Telling. We to the store. A, are going. B, we're going. C, go. She, a good book. A, is reading. B, are reading. C, am reading. I, the dinner. A, made. B, make. C, making. He, a new car. A, drive. B, drives. C, driving. She, the door. A, knock. B, knocks. C, knocked. They, at the party. A, dance. B, danced. C, dancing. He, a beautiful picture. A, draw. B, draws. C, drew.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.